Hello students, in this video lecture we will discuss the Coelenterates general characters, classification and polymorphism in Coelenterates. This is also comes under the unit first. See, Coelenterates. This is the Coelenterate is the phylum. It is placed in the after the protozoa and porifera. These are the lower organisms. ಇವ ಅಗ್ದಿ ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಿನ್ನೂ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. That's why they placed it in the third phylum after the porifera. General characters. Coelenterates are the radially symmetrical animals with diploblastic body wall. Diplo means two layer, nematocysts and gastrovascular cavity. The phylum includes Hydra, Lobelia, jellyfish, corals, etc. These are the examples of Coelenterates. These are the peculiar characters of the Coelenterate phylum. And examples are the Hydra, Lobelia, jellyfish and corals, etc. This is the diagram of Hydra. It comes under the Coelenterate phylum. Example Hydra. And see the characters one by one. Coelenterates are multicellular organisms. Coelenterates are the multicellular organisms. Means what? The coelenterate or example, take Hydra as an example. It is made up of many cells. Means this is multicellular organism. In case of protozoan, they are single-celled organism. The whole body is one cell. But in this Hydra, there is a group of cells called as multicellular organism. Next, third point, they have tissue grade of organization. Organization hengaiti tissue grade. Tissue means what? Tissue is a group of cells performing a similar function. ಏನು ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಐತಿ, ಆ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. That is called as tissue. Here tissue grade of organization is there. The body is radially symmetrical. You all know the symmetry. Body symmetry ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ? This is radially symmetrical. Radially symmetrical means what? ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇದೇ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ ತಗೋರಿ. If you cut this organism in any plane through the central axis, you will get the two equal halves. That is called radially symmetrical. The radial symmetry is the symmetry of field. Field ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಗಾಲಿ ರೌಂಡ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಯಾವ ಕಡೆಂದು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ದಿಂದ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ದಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ನೀವು ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅರ್ಧ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. This is about the radial symmetrical. All the members of the phylum are aquatic. These all are the aquatic animals. Aquatic means what? They are present in the water bodies. Either it may be marine or it may be freshwater. They are solitary or colonial. These are the solitary animals. Solitary means what? Single ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಒಂದೇ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೆನಿ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಬಹಳ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಒಳಗಿರ್ತಾವ. Then seventh is two types of individuals occur in the life cycle. They are polyp and medusa. That's why these are called as polymorphic organism. This shows the two types of life cycle. That is, one is polyp is the asexual mode of reproduction. Medusa means it is a sexual mode of reproduction. It is attached to the body. This is a free living. There are different forms present in a single organisms. That's why it is called as polymorphism. The body wall is diploblastic. Diplo means two. It is made up of ectoderm and endoderm, made up of only two layers of cells, namely the ectoderm and endoderm, with a non-cellular layer called mesogly in between. In between ectoderm and endoderm ಏನೈತಿ? mesogly ಇದೆ. ಮೂರು ಲೇಯರ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಹೊರಗಿನ ಲೇಯರ ಎಕ್ಟೋಡರ್ಮ, ಒಳಗಿನ ಲೇಯರ ಎಂಡೋಡರ್ಮ. ಈ ಎಕ್ಟೋಡರ್ಮ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಂಡೋಡರ್ಮ್ ನಡುವೆ ಏನೈತಿ? ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ non-cellular layer called as mesogly. Mesogly ಅನ್ನೋ substance in between them. Then next point, nematocysts. Nematocysts are stinging cells. It is also called as stinging cells. It is one of the peculiar characters of the phylum Coelenterate. Nematocysts is present. For what? ಎದಕ್ಕಿದಾವು nematocyst? For health, offense and defense. ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಿದಾವು ಮತ್ತು ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಿದಾವು. ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್, that is ಯಾವುದವ? nematocyst, or it is also called as stinging cells. Then this is a medusa and polyp. Here see the two types of individuals occur in the same organism. Medusa hingirtiti, it is umbrella shaped and it is attached to the body. Polyp, it has the tentacles. These are also having the tentacles, radial tentacles, marginal tentacles. Next point, coelom is absent. Hence, coelenterates are acoelomate animals. What is coelom? Coelom is the empty space. Coelom ಅಂದ್ರೇನ? ಒಂದು ಜಾಗ, ಖಾಲಿ ಜಾಗ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತೈತದ ಖಾಲಿ ಜಾಗ? That is present in between the body wall and gut. Gut means elementary canal. ಈ digestive tract ಏನಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ನಡುವೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಾಡಿ ವಾಲ್ ನಡುವೆ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ? This is suppose this is a digestive tract, this is body wall, this empty space is called coelom. But in coelenterate organism there is a no coelom, hence it is called as acoelomate. Next, coelom means empty space present in between the body wall and elementary canal. In coelenterate the coelom is absent. That's why it is called as acoelomate. Next, then gastrovascular cavity. This is a cavity, gastrovascular cavity, or coelentron is present. It is also a peculiar character. It can be compared to the gut of higher animals. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟಿವ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ರೋವಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕ್ಯಾವಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, mouth is present but anus is absent. In these organisms, mouth is present but anus is absent. Next, digestion is extracellular as well as intracellular. Here digestion takes place through the intracellular as well as extracellular. Cell ಹೊರಗಡೆನೂ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, cell ಒಳಗಡೆನೂ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. Okay. Next, this is the nidoblast. Nidoblast means this is called as a nematocyst. Nidoblast also called as nematocyst. Nidocil operculum. This is the structure and vertical section of Hydra. See here, respiratory, excretory, and circulatory systems are absent. This takes place through the general body surface. Here, respiratory, excretory, and circulatory systems are absent. Nervous system is diffuse type, formed of nerve nets. Nervous system hengide diffused type. Diffused means it is a very primitive type. Primary innu develop ಆಗತೈತಿ nervous system. It is distributed beneath the outer ectoderm. Ectoderm ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ nerve cells distribute ಆಗಿ that forms the net like structure. See here, these are the sorry, in this picture you will not have the nervous system. Okay, they form the net like structure. Reproduction is by asexual and sexual method. Both the type of reproduction takes place here, sexually also and asexually also they reproduce. Development is indirect. Indirect means there is a presence of larva. Larva is present. Life history has alternation of generation, or it is also called as metagenesis. Alternation of generation means what? Alternation. First sexually reproduce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ asexually reproduce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ sexually reproduce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Alternation ಆಗೋದು generation, that is called as metagenesis. Examples: hydra, obelia, sea anemone, corals, etc. These are the examples. This is about the general characters. Next, move to the classification. These phylum Coelenterata is classified as three classes: Hydrozoa, Scyphozoa, Anthozoa. Hydrozoa has the Hydra and Obelia. Example: Hydra and Obelia. Scyphozoa, example Aurelia. Class Anthozoa, example Metridium. Hydrozoa has the, it include Hydra-like coelenterates and exhibit two types of zooids, namely polyp and medusa. Polyp and medusa form ಇರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. And class Scyphozoa. Scyphozoa ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? Scyphozoa is a jellyfishes. It has the jellyfish true medusae form. True medusa ಅಂತವ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ. Next, class Anthozoa. These are exclusively marine organism and they show polypoid and medusoid stage is absent in this Anthozoa. Example Metridium. This is the classification. You have to write the 2 to 3 characters of class. This is for your homework. You have to write characters of this class. This is about the classification. The Coelenterate is classified under the 3 classes: Hydrozoa, Scyphozoa, Anthozoa. These are the examples. Okay. In the next video, we will discuss the polymorphism in Coelenterate.